President also talked about what we can do in some other areas in fighting cancer, opioids, issues like that, where I think we do have common ground and can participate. And he talked about our veterans in that unity message. And in that, he talked, and I was particularly excited about honoring the PACT Act. Some of you have heard me say before, this goes way back 40 years for me as a chair of the California Democratic Party when I went with Dick Gregory to be part of a hunger strike with our Vietnam vets who were protesting against the use of Agent Orange and what it meant to their health after the war. It took us a very long time to address those concerns. In fact, we didn't really complete it until a few years ago when we addressed the Blue Water, the Navy, part of that. But we can't wait that long for the burn pits. So right now on the floor, we are just gaveling down, and that's why I was running a little bit late, the burn pits legislation, where our young people who, our men and women in uniform, whatever their age, find themselves in harm's way to fight for our freedom, are also in harm's way because of the burn pits. And they have cancer after the fact. Sometimes it doesn't even come until 6-7 years later. But the fact is, if they were present, there is a presumption that is a relationship. We had a press conference yesterday on it. We had our amendments yesterday. Today we passed the bill, and now we will work with the Senate to make it easier and healthier for our, it's a cost of war. And it really amazed me, and I'm rarely amazed and surprised around here. But for the Republicans to go to the floor and say, the veterans really don't want this help with their help because it's going to cost money. And they're more concerned about the budget of the budget than they are about their health. Oh, really? You just gave tax cuts in 2017 to the richest people in America. Tax cuts for the rich, cancer for our veterans. That's how we see this discussion and this debate. That's Mr. Raul Ruiz, who's been a very important part of all this, says it, and I agree with him. Mr. Mark Takano, chair of the Veterans Affairs Committee, has done a great job with all of this, and I'm very proud of his work, honoring the pact, and then Elaine Loria, who has a veteran herself, also a member of the Armed Services Committee, very much a part of this legislation. But again, we have bipartisan support. It's a good number of Republicans who voted for it today. A larger number did not, but nonetheless, it's a bipartisan bill.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.